You are dumb. You are sad. Like and subscribe, or no more cookies for you.
Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today with
Tankman Joe.
For Tasty Finds, we are going to try Pepperidge Farm Goldfish, but with a twist, s'mores. Okay, in this wonderful quarantine edition, you know, sometimes you're in the stores while you get the necessities, you find yourself drawn to the oddest things. Goldfish, we know them to be nice little cheesy little crackers. The idea of s'mores doesn't seem like a great idea, but let's see. Let's take a look.
Hopefully they're still smiling back at you while you have them at the snack.
Yeah. Let's see. 52 pieces is considered a serving.
52.
Yeah, 52 pieces. So 52 of these little things, and it's 140 calories. Okay, let's get to it.
Let's open it up.
Go ahead, open it up. You can do the honors. So while he's opening this up, if you can hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up. We have lots of different kind of videos here, and we also from time to time do a tasty finds for something that's not found at Trader Joe's. All right, so what do we have? Tank loves goldfish.
Oh.
Well, you could just take out
I know, but then what they want to see inside the bag?
Oh, okay. Well, did you guys enjoy seeing what was in the bag?
Everyone did. All right.
All right. Let's see. It's a whole lot of something going on, and okay, get a look there. There's just different color type of crackers.
Marshmallow. Chocolate.
Yeah, a little marshmallow like Lucky Charms.
These marshmallows aren't smiling at you, so I guess I was partly correct.
You ready to try?
The way everyone knows how to eat a s'more, right? You put the chocolate.
Oh, show
them.
them.
Graham cracker.
Nice.
You add the marshmallow, and they add another graham cracker.
So you could show the people what you. Oh.
There you go.
Okay. You go for it. You did such a masterful job of putting this thing together, and I'm having the hardest time. Okay, I guess that looks about right. Okay, let's see. Well, if you were wondering, there's no cheese in this. It doesn't taste cheesy.
I'll be disgusted.
That's my mind was trying to wrap around cheddar cheese goldfish, but they're just goldfish shaped little crackers. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 4. 4 means I will buy this again for my personal consumption, and 1 means I'll give it a hard pass. I'll give these a I'll give them a 4. And the reason why I'll give them a 4, they're very plain little cracker cookies. There are no bells or whistles. They're not very sweet. The only thing that was really sweet was the little marshmallow part, but it's pleasant. And I can see this as, a road trip. Are you listening?
Yeah.
You're on a road trip and you got some snacks. I wouldn't mind mixing this up with my nuts and fruit. So anyway, I'll give it a 4. Surprisingly. Okay. What do you say, Tank?
I give this a 4. This is really good. I'd get this over the normal goldfish. Or I'd get both at the same time. This is perfect for breakfast.
Breakfast?
Yes. Give them some milk And get your spoon. That'll be perfect cereal. I eat that every day.
I get what you're saying. It does have that kind of taste to it. But yeah, it says 8 grams whole grain. So if you're looking for something to supplement your fiber, I don't know, 1 gram of fiber. So I think that's it. I said a 4.
Yeah. I said a 4.
And I see that he's grabbing this. Okay, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you enjoyed this. And once again, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more things like this, okay? So hope you're well. And until next time.